guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time to by my channel, my name is Atinke, guys. I'm not happy today. I'm not. In fact, I don't even know what is wrong, guys. First of all, let me first apologize before explaining what happened to you guys. Oh my god. So guys, I actually made this lovely hairstyle. I don't even know how to do the voiceover because I'm kind of down with what happened. So let me put myself together. I actually make this lovely hair tutorial for you guys. So my camera has been giving me sign. I won't lie about it. I'll come out straight to you guys. The camera is still working. I was like, let me keep managing it like that. If you watch one of my hair tutorial, I think was it the one I uploaded before I uploaded that kinky braids? I told you guys my son broke my memory card. Yes, I was thinking about recreating those tutorial I kept on that memory card because I'm a mom of 3. If I want to make tutorial like that, as far they are in holiday, I wake up as early as 4:30 so that I can be done by 11 because they wake up around 11 in the morning. Yes, I've been waking up every day to make tutorial. So today I want to start editing all these hair tutorials so that I can recreate the hair tutorial my son broke the memory card 2 weeks ago. So to my greatest shock, guys, all the hair tutorial I achieved on this memory card is only this one that shows. Yes, the final look self. It was even only one side that showed, which you are going to see towards the end of this video. All the hair tutorial I achieved. I was waking up 4:30 in the morning to just make sure I create one hair tutorial per day. I could have even continued creating the hair tutorial. It shows when I finish making the hair tutorial, I check the video, I check everything. But to my greatest surprise, I was like, let me start editing them. And guys, nothing showed on that camera except this part I'm showing you guys. I felt so down. I felt so weak. I felt so sad. As in, I started asking myself, where will I start from? Because I'm a mom of 3. It's not easy for me to start creating all the hair tutorial again. Not 1, not 2, not 3, guys. I felt so sad. I felt not motivated anymore. But I was like, I need to put out this video because I won't lie to you, this hairstyle is one of the most easy, beautiful hairstyle I created. I was like, oh no, God, what will I do? All I need is your strength. So let me explain to you guys. So you can see I started braiding with 8 strands of Brazilian wool. Then the second one I pick is 6 strands of Brazilian wool. Then the third one we are going to be adding is 4 strands. Yes, I'm trying to achieve knotless jumbo braids, but this one is different because I use a rubber band to hold it from the beginning. Don't worry, it's still going to look like knotless braid. Then I had the coils in each braid. Some of the braids I added 14 coils, then some 10, mostly at the back I added 10, but the one at the front has volume than the one at the back. So that is it, guys. I'm so sorry with the intro from the beginning of this video. I'm so sorry, guys. Please, can you please watch my heart so that your baby girl can save money to buy a new camera, because this camera really did me shaggy. Oh my God. But this camera has really tried. I won't lie. It has really tried, so I need to save up to buy a new camera. I don't even know. I have Canon camera, but I don't really like using that Canon camera to make a tutorial. I prefer using that to vlog. If you don't know, I have a vlog channel, so you can easily check that out. So I love using Sony camera to make my tutorial. So guys, please guys, kindly watch your baby get hard, watch or hard, so that I can save up to buy another camera. So that is it guys. Can you please keep on watching? Don't worry, you're going to see the final look. I added one or two together to actually look for a video I did when I finished making the hairstyle. So don't worry, you're still going to see the final look. But the only down part is that I can only show you one side of the tutorial, which is nothing. You can easily use this to achieve it also. As far as the beginning was there, how I achieved the cutting of the hair, then how I braided from the beginning to the end is there. So make sure you sit and relax. Don't stop. Don't think you won't achieve anything. You're going to achieve something from this tutorial. So make sure you keep on watching. And please, guys, do not forget to like. Stop holding my like. Watch my hand. Let me buy another camera. Because now I'm thinking, I won't lie to you guys, I'm really thinking, I don't know where to start from, to start making the tutorial from the beginning. You know, hair tutorial, I can't use old hair. You have to use new hair. All the new hair I've already used to achieve those hairstyles. I can't show you guys the final look of the hair without showing guys how I achieve it. Does not make sense. So no final look, no beginning of achievement. So I have to start from the beginning again. But let me figure out how I'm going to get a new camera first. But don't worry, that does not stop me from uploading. I'll try my best to start creating tutorial from today now, to start recreating them. Even though if I'm going to use my Canon camera like that, I'll do my best. So thank you so much. Keep on watching. Sit down, relax, and make sure you enjoy watching. And I hope you learn one or two from this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys.